Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I have come up with another Janmashtami Bhog recipe. This is a savory dish. It is called bread cutlet. So this cutlet has a nice crispy texture from outside. I have baked and deep fried both of the options of this recipe. Inside it has a lot of vegetables mixed with potatoes and brown bread. One of the very quickest recipe can be made within 30 minutes. So let's look into the recipe. So first I have taken 5 slices of brown bread. These are whole wheat bread. You can even use white bread, not a problem. So I'm going to remove all the edges and then break them in small pieces like this. Make sure that the pieces are small. Now here I have used some colored bell peppers, around half cup. Then I've used a quarter cup of boiled kernel, half cup of carrot and half cup of chopped celery, 2 green chilies and half cup of chopped cilantro. Now I've grated around 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder. You can even use black pepper powder, not a problem. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of chaat masala to it. Now here I've used some dry lemon powder. If you do not have this, then you can just use lemon juice, not a problem. I used half teaspoon of it. Now I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I have 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Make sure the potatoes are completely boiled so that they can mash easily with the ingredients. Now I'm going to mix everything well. Nicely mash the potatoes with the bread. Now I've taken some breadcrumbs and then I took nearly a handful of the mixture like this. I did wet my hand with some water and then started rolling it. Doing that will make it easy to roll the mixture. And then I'm going to make it a little bit flat after making it a round ball like this and then flat a little bit. Nicely coated. Like this, I'm going to repeat the remaining mixture in similar manner. Going to place this on the tray. After every rolling and coating of the mixture into a cutlet form, I washed my hands and then rolled the new one. This will prevent the breadcrumb to not get into the mixture. Heated some oil in a wok and on medium heat. Once the oil got a little hot, I started frying the cutlet. Make sure to cook this cutlet on medium heat so that the entire bread, cornstarch, potato and the vegetables get cooked nicely. After cooking one side, then flip it to the other side. So this bread cutlet looks cooked. I'm going to remove the oil nicely and then place it on a plate with absorbent paper. So what I did was I fried half of the batch and the remaining batch I air fried it. So you can even bake it, and that can be done on 350 Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes. After 7 to 10 minutes, you flip it to the other side in baking. So like that, both the sides can be cooked, and you can even drizzle some oil. So these are my fried cutlets, and I'll show you my air fried ones. So what I did, I brushed some oil on top of it, and then I baked them on 350 for 25 minutes, both sides. So the bread cutlets are ready. I made around 15 bread cutlets. So let me show you the fried one. This is how it looks like from inside. And let me show you the air fried one. I personally like the air fried one more. Even the spiciness in the air fried one seems more intense also, because the deep fried one suppresses the spiciness. Now I'm going to place a tulsi leaf and offer this at the lotus feet of Shri Krishna. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel Krsnatarian. If this is your first time watching this video or visiting the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it. If you have been watching my videos regularly but haven't yet subscribed, then please subscribe to it. If there are any constructive feedbacks or any queries related to the recipe, food, or the diet of Krishna consciousness or Krsnatarian, then please write to me in the comment section and I will be happy to respond to you. One more thing I wanted to inform is that I recently published a cookbook which is around 348 recipes with 400 images. So that particular book is available in paperback and hardcover format. And also multiple digital copies of this book is available. If you're interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description. And also there will be book review available, for which I have also shared a link in the description. So now let's proceed towards the recipe.